Hello, it's the Orange Guy 1000 here again for another Python program demonstration, and the one we're doing today is Lotto number picker. So this is my program that I've generated. It doesn't have to be just a Lotto number picker. It can be any random Lotto number picker. It can pick numbers for, I don't know, your math random project, or just because you want random numbers for a draw or something, but it's just called Lotto number picker. So as you can see, we have a nice image here, a logo, found it online somewhere. And then here you see we have these blank things here that are where the numbers will appear. So once we click this Get My Lucky Numbers button, it calls a function and will fill those up with numbers. 14, 38, 6, 25, 36, 19. Yes, so that does that, and then they should always be random according to the code. So then we press reset, and now we get back to this button. 1, 47, 41, 5, 15, 16. There we go. And as you can see, when I do this button gets disabled because, of course, I can't load two numbers at the same time. So then I press reset. This one's now available, but this one isn't because I can't reset that. Yeah, so let's try it again. 4, 36, 1, 12, 29, 5. So sometimes numbers do overlap a little bit, but it's not like it's continually always picking you the same number. Yeah, so right after this, we'll take a little look at the code. So here we are now looking at the code that runs the Lotto random number picker. So as you can see right here, we imported Tinctor again. Right here from Tinctor, import calls to the module. Here we created a window using window equals tk. So basically, rather than writing tk every time, which just takes for it, we just write window, which is really easy. Then right here we create that image, a photo image right here. We call it the photo image class. That way we can put up an image there, which was an image with the little blue crossed fingers, Lotto.gif. It would help if I could say things today. And yeah, that's a GIF because Python only supports GIFs. And then we call it image label because we can't put the image in there unless we specify it to a label or to a canvas. So for easy, we're going to go label, and we've renamed it image label. That way we know what it is and it's easy for us. Then here we get all of these labels here. These are the labels that will make the numbers appear when we press the Get BTN button right here, and they've all been set to groove so that we can make sure that they look cool. Now we get the Get BTN button here, which is the Get My Lucky Numbers button that allows us to fill in these buttons here with stuff, and then the Reset button is exactly what it is. It resets the things. Now geometry down here, what this is here is this tells us where to put the image by using a row and column grid. This isn't used as common. Usually we use pad X or pad Y or side equals left or right, but we can still use this. So that tells where to put the images. Then here, this tells where to put all the numbers once they actually appear. This tells where to put the Get button, and this tells where to put the Reset button. So in row 2, which is why they're on the second level, and in the certain columns. Now, static properties. As you can see, this is a comment here. It just kind of blocks off a section. So window title, we want the window to be titled Lotto number picture because that's the name of the app. Right here, we don't want to be able to resize the window. So we put 0, 0, window resizable. Kind of explains itself. Get BTN, this tells you what the text for the Get button is, and the Reset BTN tells you what the text for it is. Initial properties here. So when we start, automatically the numbers will automatically go ... because they're waiting for you to press this button here. That way you can get numbers. And then the Reset button will be disabled because, of course, you can't use the Reset button when you don't have anything to reset. Now we go to dynamic properties here. From random, import sample. So it's going to import the random module, and then it's going to take out the sample thing. So rather than importing the whole thing and making the program run slower, it just imports a little bit. Now def pick, here we go, num sample. So it's going to pick a number from 1 to 49 and needs 6 of them. Then it goes right here and puts them in. Of course, Python goes from 0 to 5, which is a little bit strange, but that's just how it is. So that's why these are named here. So then this will fill in the numbers, and then the Get button will be disabled because, of course, you can't get more numbers when you already have numbers. And then the Reset button will be enabled or normaled because then you can reset your numbers. Then once you press the Reset button, it does a reset command, and then so these all go back to ... The get button goes back to normal or enabled, and the reset button goes back to disabled. Then here we go. The get button, it tells the command to pick, so it tells to do this command. Oh, this command here. And then the reset button does the command reset, so it does this command. And yes, just to explain, def means command or function. And the sustain window, to keep the window alive, we put window.main loop. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and you can download the code at https://github.com/willtheorangeguy/random-lotto-number-chooser. There'll be a link in the description just in case you want to click it there. Yeah, thanks. This is the Orange Guy 1000 signing out.
And that's all, folks.